they are the wrong colour. We did not order this colour. There's a lot to update you on. We had an absolute nightmare with this room. I have never been so stressed about something and a decision in my life. Currently looking like a bomb is hitting. We've had the worktop in, we've had the hob in.
It's like before we back here. That's 100 degrees, mate.
I don't know if we're going to keep that. I'm not too sure what's going on with that. Good morning, good morning. I feel like I look really rough this morning. We are so tired. We've been having such late nights recently. Not really sure how much we're going to get done today, but I am just working on the utility room, and the kitchen's kind of like, obviously all the units are in, so we're just waiting for the worktop to be templated. I also want to today just kind of give everywhere a bit of a like clean, not like a tidy up. Obviously I'm not going to get like a mop and disinfect it out because there's no point doing that, but I just mean like getting rid of all the like stuff that's just like accumulating everywhere. I'm working in the utility. Yesterday Rory put up this dado rail and I'm just going around and filling it all in, and also he's done loads of like boxing in and stuff, so I'm just doing all the filler in here. And then we also want to try and get the bathroom painted today. I think the kitchen is looking still very blue. I don't really know. I feel like I've shown you all the kitchen already. The dishwasher's in now. The sink has been put in, and then it's getting templated next week, the worktop is. So there's nothing really left to do in the kitchen for now. Obviously the oven's going to go over there, and then we are having 2 dresser units on here, but you can't put them in until the worktop's in.
Hello.
It is the next day now. Today we are on bathroom and utility. So we are just, it's bright and early, it's bank holiday morning, bank holiday Monday, and it is about 8:30 in the morning. My dad is on the way down to come and help us today. So we've just come to Wix to get the panelling for the bathroom. Someone's phone is ringing.
My dad won it.
Yes, that's your dad. But yes, we've just come to Wix to get raw panelling for the bathroom. This is the panelling that we've gone for, the tongue and groove, so you just get it in big sheets, and then we need to go and get a dado rail to stick on it. Why do these not look as nice as the... No. Yeah, you want one like that, but that's quite a chunky one.
This one.
How about the smaller one?
No, I picked a different one, look.
Oh.
There's one of these sheets.
But it's got to be quite thin.
Pull me one out and I'll just...
What about a little skinny one?
No, because that's too thin, you see. It has to be the same thickness as the bottom.
Okay, if not a little bit thicker, because it can sit over it a bit, can't it? I don't even know what vlog we're on now, what room, I don't know what I last filmed. I haven't uploaded on YouTube now in like over a month. It's been quite bad. So when this actually eventually makes it up, I don't know where we'll be at or what time of the year it will be, but it is Saturday today. What is the actual date? Let's have a look. What's the actual date today? It is...
Sup YouTube!
Saturday the 9th of May today. And we have... What have we got to do today? I've had a very slow morning. Rory got up so early to go and play paddle. I stayed in bed the entire time. It's 11 AM, so we are starting a little bit late this morning. But... today we are painting. So on Monday the tiler starts, so we need to get the bathroom painted basically. My dad has come and finished the floor in here. Oh, that's another job we need to do. The tiler came yesterday and he thinks that the easiest way to tile through here is to take these tiles up. So that's another job. So my dad finished screeding all the floor in here, and now we need to do it in there. So that's another job for, I don't know when, to pull these up. The living room is currently like our storage tip. Like it is, this is all the rubbish that needs to go. These are appliances that need to get fitted. These are units that will be going in the alcoves. Obviously we've got paint samples, we've got loads of leftover wood and boards. The old door to the utility, which I don't know if we're going to keep that. I'm not too sure what's going on with that. So this is the bedroom, and this has also got the off-script colouring. I love this colour so much. I really like it. I think we might do it in the living room as well. And then in here, this room is in summer linen. So basically what we've done is everywhere we're just going to do in summer linen except for like a couple of rooms. And then if we want to change them once we're in, we can. And then this is our bathroom at the moment. So this is all the panelling that we put up yesterday and the day before. We did the dado rail yesterday, didn't we? I spent ages yesterday using cork to like fill all the edges, up above this, below this, in between all the gaps. It took me so long. So yeah, this is the bathroom, which is going to get painted today. And then my dad and Rory made this bath panel to match the panelling, and then obviously we need to put skirting along everywhere. And the plumber filled the bath with water, and he hasn't been back since, and we're too scared. There is literally a dead
we can empty it past him.
Oh, we can?
Yeah.
Because we've been too scared to like empty it. I forgot the word there. We've been too scared to empty it because we didn't know if it was like all connected, or we've just left this water in here for like the last week and a half. So yeah, that is where we're up to. Like I said, we're literally just putting this primer on, and then we're going to go and look at carpets and stuff, because we found someone that we're going to get to fit the carpet, but I didn't really like any of the carpet samples that he gave us. So I was kind of like, well, I want to go and just have a look around and see, even if we have to supply some ourselves, and then get him to fit it. Also, in case anyone was wondering, we got these tiles. These wall tiles, which I don't know how well it's picking it up on the camera, but they've all like kind of got little speckles on. They're all a little bit different. These are from Stone Superstore in Wilmslow. Lovely, lovely. If you live near Wilmslow, lovely showroom, really nice staff. They were so helpful. They spent so much time with me and my mum when we went in. So we've got floor tiles from Mandarin Stone and wall tiles from Stone Superstore in Wilmslow, which I would highly recommend both of them so far. I mean, obviously we haven't had them put in yet, but I think I'm gonna like them, hopefully, fingers crossed. It has been quite a while since I've last filmed something. There's a lot to update you on. So today is Wednesday. I'm just at the house. It's Wednesday morning, first thing, and I'm just sat working here. Today is a really exciting day because we are having the worktops fitted, or we're meant to be. I'm slightly concerned because I was told that we were the first job of the day, so they'd be here first thing, but they're still not here yet. So I am hoping that I've got the day right. So at the house, me and Rory have been here super early this morning, just like clearing out the kitchen and just making sure that all this space is clear. The dining room, we did have a big table in there. We put that back outside and completely cleared the room because there's a lot of worktop to get through, and I do think they're going to have to bring it through the back door. We've also had all of our light switches put in and lights, so we have gone for a couple of different light switches. Majority of our hardware is from a company called Brassby, I think. So these are little toggle switches that we've got from there, and they do also match. So we've got our handles, our kitchen handles are all from there as well. So those, we've got smaller ones up here, and we also got little back plates for these ones as well. So these are all from Brassby. We have also got plug sockets to match. There's one in down there. In this room, this is like the dining room light and the kitchen light. We have got dimmer switches on here. So they're again from the same company, but they're just a dimmer version. In the hallway, we've had to go for slightly different because we basically needed light switches to control downstairs and upstairs, and the ones from Brassby wouldn't do that. So we've got slightly darker toggle switches in the hallway, which is fine. We've got them here, and we've also got them in the porch as well. So I actually really, really like these. Then the most exciting room, I think, is the bathroom. This room is the closest to being done. The plumber is away this week, but we're just waiting for him to get back, and then we can literally finish this room. But let me show you. So we had an absolute nightmare with this room. Obviously there is a dust sheet down at the moment, but let me show you these amazing tiles. I'm obsessed with this floor. Like, I'm so happy we went for this. We are one tile short. Look at this, we've got massive tiles. We've had to order one whole tile just to fill this little space, but Rory's gonna go and pick that up later on today. These wall tiles came and they are the wrong colour. We did not order this colour, we ordered the white ones, and well, we were meant to have ordered the white ones. Basically, we had a sample, and let me pop you down. So we had a sample from the showroom that I literally got in the showroom, and the sample was a white tile, and then it obviously had the sticker on the back that had the name on. So we matched that tile to this flooring. The flooring and the wall tiles are from separate companies, so we matched them up and we were like, yeah, perfect. The tiles came, Tyler put them up, obviously it all kind of happened, and then when they were up, I was like, I really don't think these tiles are the same as the sample. Got the sample out. What I think's happened is the sample had the wrong name on the back. So I do think that the tiles that the name is these that have turned up. However, the sample that we had was definitely not this colour. So we actually had this room painted in a completely different colour. We had it painted in like a really pale plaster, like creamy pink, but it wasn't like pink, it was like a plaster pink. Matched amazingly with the floor tiles, did not match the wall tiles. And the tiler we literally came around, the tiler put all the wall tiles up and I was like, oh my God, what has happened? And I was trying to kind of like tunnel vision look at the flooring and the wall tiles and I was like, right, luckily, there you go. The wall colour did not. So we have had to repaint this room. I think I've painted this room 4 times now. 2 coats of the first colour. No, we whitewashed it. Then I did 2 coats of the first colour and then I've done 2 coats of this second colour. Tyler's done such a good job of matching up all the individual tiles and also the grout colour, so it isn't super obvious that it's loads of individual tiles. Honestly, these bathroom tiles, I have never been so stressed about something and a decision in my life. They took me so long to decide. We nearly went with some completely different tiles. The tiler was booked in. I was literally running around to different tile shops a few days before the tiler was meant to be coming. The ones that we picked out of stock, could not get them. I've genuinely never been so stressed in my entire life. But yeah, luckily we just ended up pushing the tiler back and we managed to actually find some really nice tiles. We are on a mission to get basically the downstairs done because tomorrow we are having the flooring done or started. So we really need to get down here finished, and it's currently looking like a bomb has hit it. You'll see that a lot of the kitchen is in. We've had the worktop in, we've had the hob in. I kind of don't want to show everything until it's like clean and done because it's still not finished. There's things missing still, but majority of the kitchen is done. But yeah, it is an absolute, like, I'm just looking at mess. Our other job is also we've got to screed this floor tonight, and normally my dad does it. Like, my dad has done all through here, but he can't get down today because today's his 60th birthday. So we've got to try and do this ourselves, which we're a bit scared about. We need to get all this hallway and everything done. So hallway door frames and also the hallway skirting, which isn't on yet, is also going to go in the darker colour. I have basically spent the last 2 days making these little sample paint cards. So I basically bought these sheets of MDF off Amazon, and these are all primed with wood primer. I really wanted to just get some big samples painted. I mean, these have all only had 1 coat, so they look a bit streaky because I need to finish them. And so that is the colour that we're doing, and that is what we're doing on all the skirting and the door frames. Next job, self-levelling. We're halfway through. We've just put 1 bag down. We had to go and buy a trowel and one of these to get rid of the air bubbles. And we've done 1 bit, and we're just doing the second bit. Filming. I think we've done it, but it's just like the join between the rooms. I'm just hoping that that's okay. I still think there's a little bit of a step. I'm looking very pale, actually quite ill. But I'm trying to not wear makeup for a few days because my skin has been so bad. We're getting very close. We're getting very close down here. The tiler has just left. He has cleaned and siliconed all the floor tiles down here. You can see behind me, we've got the wine fridge in. We've got the blue is off the cupboards officially. No more blue left. Getting very close, let me show you something. So, flooring is in. Rory's just moving all this stuff out of here. Flooring is done. We're all done and dusted down here. Rory has spent today doing all this skirting. So he's like cut it, painted it, stuck it on. We have, I think I said in the car, what have I said? We decided to go with basically darker skirting and darker door frames, and we are so happy that we did. We're doing it in all of the hallways, but we're just not doing it in all of the insides of the room. So obviously this one we are. I think I'm gonna do this one as well. Like, I think I'm just gonna do all of them and the back door, to be honest. I think it looks a bit weird that these are white in here and then everywhere else is in that, I think. Kitchen is done. Utility is like basically there. There's actually nothing in there at the moment because we need the plumber to come and put the washing machine in, the toilet, the sink, the radiator. So basically a lot of stuff now we are actually waiting for the plumber. He was meant to come today, but then he couldn't in the end. Still got lots of little bits to do, but we're getting very close to moving in. This door behind me is the door that's coming into this room. And then these doors, let me show you. These are the doors that we are having everywhere else. I don't actually know which is the right way round, whether they're meant to go at the top. Do you know?
What?
Which is the right way round? Those little ones at the bottom, or does it not matter, do you think? You can have it either way? I prefer it this way because then your handle's lower. Rory's also started building this cupboard back here. So, we're having some shelves in here, and then we're also going to try and put a rail in as well, so we can hang up like jackets and stuff, but then have like towels and bedding and anything like that at the back. So that's going to be the cupboard that goes in here. I don't actually know if I've vlogged properly since we've had like electricity and everything in this house, and we had the quicker tap put in as well. Actually, I don't think I've shown you this, but this, I've been waiting for this for so long. Is that boiling? Yeah. And then this is also the spray one, so you can spray around your sink.
I didn't say the cooker rep was here the other day.
Yeah.
And he goes, this is how the boiler works, this is how the coal works. And I go, whoop, it's 100, ah! They pull me back, he goes, that's 100 degrees, mate.
You can do that. When the quicker reps come into my work, they're always like, oh, this has got like, basically they put in like air bubbles through the hot water, so you can catch your hand under it. And it's hot, but it doesn't scald you, because it's a way that it like that the water comes out. It wouldn't. You can like waft your hand under it. Maybe I shouldn't say that because don't try it. But 100% when the quicker rep has come into work before, they've been like, yeah, you can just put your finger under it. Anyway, yes, we've got the quicker tap, and we've also got the antique brass waste. This is where's this sink from? A Bauer sink and Bauer waste. Everything's matched up so well, hasn't it?
Except my wife.
Except for your wine fridge handle. The only thing that I left Rory to do was that wine fridge handle, and he's got a silver one. Isn't it funny, like, what it looked like when we first got the keys compared to what we've done to it?
Pretty proud of what we've done in 3 months. This might be my favourite decision of the house.
The skirt in the door frames.
So good with the floor.
Well done me, hey?
Well done me.
What do you mean, well done you? I said that we should do that. I found the colour, and I'm the one that's gone around and painted it all. The only thing we've kept one thing from the old house, and that is this light which has got a bulb missing because Rory's cousin didn't have a third dimmer bulb in his van, so he's bringing us another one. But yeah, we've kept that. This was in here before, and it is antique brass. It matches really well. Probably won't keep it forever, but we just thought for now,
I quite like it.
yeah, it'll do. I'm just jumping in at the end of the video to finish this off again because there was no outro. This vlog I think was filmed over the space of like a month, to be honest, or like at least 3 weeks. I think because we got to the point where we had a lot of people in, like electrician, plumber, the tiler, there was a lot going on that I almost didn't vlog stuff happening because there was loads of people there. Like we'd be painting whilst the plumber and the electrician would be there, or the tiler was there. So it was kind of like handed over to those guys a little bit, and we were just painting. Like I said, I'm pretty sure the clips came from like a 3-week period where I was just filming random bits. I think the next vlog though will possibly be the moving in vlog, I think. And I'm also kind of like, I don't really know when to show you. Like the kitchen's kind of done, but not completely done, and like the dining room is not done at all. The bathroom is like nearly done, but there's just a few things that were kind of missing from in there. So I kind of don't know when to show you the rooms properly. I don't really know, but I think the next vlog is going to be the moving in vlog, I'm pretty sure, because after this video finished, we basically just had like loads of painting to do and the carpets in, and then we moved in really quickly. So yeah, anyway, I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you've been enjoying the renovating videos. If you have made it to the end of the video, then thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the love on my videos or any of the messages that people have sent me. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. Still very excited to show you what it looks like, and like I said, it's not done. If you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me, and it means that you will then obviously be able to see the transformation and see everything else that we're doing in this house. Like I said, we're still doing so much. We've actually just ordered some bits for the dining room. We've got some more DIY to do in the dining room, which we're going to start very soon. If you did enjoy this video, then make sure you also give it a thumbs up, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye guys.